Here at the Phillips Auto Group in Bourbonnais. I'm in this 2025 RS EV Equinox. This thing is sweet. This thing comes with a lot of features that might be a little confusing, but if you're ever worried about like the energy consumption or even like the tire pressure within your vehicle, there is a setting on this ginormous screen that they put in this thing. It's going to be under vehicle status. So you're going to go in here and you can press tire pressure. You can see all of them. You could even press the relearn and add to the driver display, or you could even press, say, maybe up on your infotainment screen saying one of them's low. You can actually press individually which one you want to check out. It'll show it down here. You could go to all 4 of them, and then it'll bring you to that screen. On top of that, you're also going to see the energy info. So obviously we are parked, so it's not going to show very much. There's no mileage recorded right now. But if you're going down the road, it's going to tell you everything about your energy consumption and the mileage, your miles per kilowatt hour. I mean, everything that you could ever think of. And then it'll show you your trip information, like I said, the distance, the average efficiency, and then the time that you are driving, as well as how many miles you drove, and then how many kilowatts per hour you had consumed. If there are any questions on this thing, please let me know. I am more than willing to help you out. You can always reach me at 815-933-2251, extension 810, and I'll be looking for your call.